Docker image tags. Best practice: use specific image tags. In the world of Docker, image tags play a crucial role in managing and deploying your applications efficiently. Let's explore the importance of using specific image tags and why it is considered a best practice. The latest tag problem. A problematic approach is using latest tag. From Node. Latest from Python. Latest from Jinx. Latest. Here, you are instructing Docker to always use the image tagged as latest. While this might seem convenient, it can lead to several issues. Why the latest tag is dangerous? There are several reasons. First, unpredictable behavior, as the image can change without notice. Second, breaking changes that can crash your application. Using the latest tag means your application is at the mercy of any updates or changes made to the image. Without a specific version, you can't guarantee that the image will remain consistent over time. There are more risks to using the latest tag. First, security vulnerabilities in newer versions of the image. Second, it is difficult to reproduce builds across environments. The latest tag does not guarantee a specific version, making it challenging to replicate the same environment across different systems. What works in development might not work in production, leading to deployment headaches. The solution: use specific tags. Here is a better approach. From Node. Version 18.17.1, from Python. Version 3.11.4, from Jinx. Version 1.25.1. Instead of relying on the ever-changing latest tag, specify a particular version. This ensures that you are always using the same well-tested version of the image. Benefits of specific tags. First, it provides predictable and consistent behavior. Second, it allows reproducible builds across environments. By specifying the exact version, you eliminate the risk of unexpected changes and ensure that your application behaves the same way every time. Additional benefits of using specific tags include better security control and compliance, and easier debugging and rollback strategies. Knowing the exact version of the image you are using makes it easier to identify and address security vulnerabilities. In case of issues, you can quickly roll back to a previous stable version. Key takeaway: always use specific version tags for production deployments to ensure stability and predictability. When deploying your applications to production, always use specific image tags. This simple practice can save you from countless headaches and ensure a smooth and reliable deployment process. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.